Hello, my name is Abby Quist, and I will be presenting my business idea of opening up the Harlan Urgent Care Clinic. It is a well known phenomenon that many areas in rural Iowa lack access to healthcare. With limited clinic hours available at the hospital located in Harlan, Iowa, and other hospitals being nearly an hour drive away, the people of Shelby County and the surrounding counties are oftentimes waiting too long to seek medical attention. This presentation is going to discuss the need for an urgent care clinic in Harlan, Iowa, in order to increase the access to medical care, decrease unnecessary visits to the emergency department, and improve the overall health of the persons residing in Shelby County and the surrounding areas. If an urgent care clinic was to be opened in Harlan, it would provide urgent/primary care services Monday through Sunday with varying business hours. There would be either a nurse practitioner, physician's assistant, or medical doctor present at all times during hours of operation to diagnose, treat, and prescribe medications to customers. This product is needed due to the limited clinic hours available in Harlan and will provide a means to avoid unnecessary emergency room visits. For example, if you are sitting at home on a Saturday morning and realize that you may be developing a urinary tract infection, this clinic would be of great service to you. Instead of being miserable through the weekend or having to visit the emergency room for a minute problem, you can walk into the clinic and receive the care that you need. This service will be different in this area due to no longer having to drive a minimum of 45 minutes to receive the same type of care. In order to receive payment, we will work with the patient's medical insurance and do research on proper billing. Opening an urgent care clinic was an idea sparked by the realization of the lack of medical access in Shelby County. There have been numerous complaints by community members of the clinical hours available at Murtu Medical Center and not being able to make the hours due to attending their own jobs. This is an idea that I am passionate about and gives me an opportunity to provide care that is holistic. This clinic will be staffed with persons who are approachable and are passionate about the work that they do. The customers for this service will be persons of all ages, gender, race, etc. in the Shelby County and surrounding areas. This service will be provided in a clinic that will be built in Harlan and will have varying hours of operations to provide access to as many people as possible. This product will be bought directly at the clinic and will be billed through insurance. There are many challenges that will be faced in the beginning steps of providing this service. First, a lawyer will be hired to gather legal advice on opening a clinic and to ask for ideal contact persons for advice on how to run a clinic. Next, funding will have to be provided by either myself, the community, state, government, or a combination of all. The clinic will need to be built and stocked with a large array of medical supplies, which will likely be very pricey. Ideally, a partnership would be made with Murtu Medical Center in Harlan, where patients would be sent during their visit for quick imaging such as x-rays, CT scans, or other. This may be a challenge to convince Murtu Medical Center to accept a new flow of patients they have not anticipated and may be complicated when it comes to financial compensation. Lastly, various employees will need to be hired, such as secretaries, patient care technicians, nurses, nurse practitioners, physician's assistants, and medical doctors. The challenge will be finding workers who will have the same culture in mind and who will provide care that is holistic and wholesome. We will not accept workers that do not have a positive attitude or a passion for healthcare. Having a clinic in Harlan, Iowa will vastly improve healthcare access in Shelby County and the surrounding areas. The members of this community will no longer waste time or money with their healthcare and will have confidence knowing that they always have access to healthcare when it is needed. Thank you so much for listening to this presentation. I hope that you will consider this business opportunity, and I thank you so much for your time. Please contact me with any further questions.